naman talagang gusto ko maging masaya kaming dalawa, eh. Kasi tinry naman talaga namin, nilaban namin, but just so happened na hindi nag-work out. And, you know, if someone's making him happy, then I'm happy. Kasi nga, ganun pa rin yung outlook. Dapat maging masaya din yung tatay nila kasi tatay nila yun, dapat nakikita nilang masaya siya para sila din maging kids are based, their home base is with me. And then, so weekend is with their dad. It all connects back to my kids. Anything that makes their dad happy, good. Anything that makes me happy, good. Kasi ayokong maramdaman nila na dahil hiwalay na kami na may kulang sa kanila. Gusto ko buo pa rin sila. Buo pa rin yung pagkatao nila. Ang pinaka-challenge ko ngayon is pagiging single mom talaga. Kasi meron talagang kasamang guilt na malayo ako sa mga anak ko. And also, while doing that, gusto kong galingan sa